Sparrow, any of a number of small, chiefly seed-eating birds having conical bills. The name sparrow is most firmly attached to birds of the Old World family Passeridae, order Passeriformes, particularly to the house sparrow, Passer domesticus, that is so common in temperate North America and Europe, but also to many New World members of the Emberizidae. Most members of the New World family, Emberizidae, are called sparrows. Examples breeding in North America are the chipping sparrow, Spizella serena, and the tree sparrow, S. arborea, trim-looking little birds with reddish-brown caps, the savanna sparrow, Parsaculus sandwichensis, and the vesper sparrow, Pucetus creminus, finely streaked birds of grassy fields, the song sparrow, Melospiza melodia, and the fox sparrow, Passerella iliaca, heavily streaked skulkers in woodlands, and the white-crowned sparrow, Zonotricha leucophrys, and the white-throated sparrow, Z. albicans, larger species with black and white crown stripes. The rufous-collared sparrow, Z. capensis, has an exceptionally wide breeding distribution, from Mexico and Caribbean islands to Tierra del Fuego. A great many Emberizid sparrows are native to Central and South America. See also Accenta. Did you know the oldest recorded wild house sparrow was 15 years and 9 months old when found in Texas in 2004? In captivity, sparrows were recorded to live up to 23 years. Do sparrows usually live longer, or is it just an exception? For that, you'll need to know, how long do sparrows live? The most common sparrow species, house sparrows, usually live 3 to 5 years. However, the lifespan of other fascinating sparrows is longer, up to 9 years. In the wild, sparrows are short-lived due to some factors, like predators, diseases, environment, humans, and sometimes sparrows themselves. Even though the lifespan of house sparrows is on average 3 years, there are other sparrow species out there that can live longer. The lifespan of each species depends on where they live and how many problems they have to encounter. What affects the lifespan of sparrows? Predators, injuries, outbreaks, parasites, and the environment mainly affect the lifespan of sparrows. Their populations have been declining for decades worldwide due to the excessive use of insecticides. If sparrows can avoid these threats, they can live twice as much as their expected lifespan. Millions of sparrows, particularly song sparrows, are injured in the United States each year due to collisions with windows. A lot of studies show that around 60% of window collisions are fatal, which leads sparrows to death. Sparrows may die of protozoa and diseases, like coccidiosis and sarcosporidiosis. An outbreak can reduce their populations drastically because these birds travel in flocks and live in colonies. Besides, harsh winter weather can affect the lifespan of sparrows. 4. Parasites. The blistering heat of summer can make sparrows vulnerable to infectious parasites. Typically, sparrows get unavoidable chicken mites that feed on these songbirds' blood. As a result, sparrows get fatal infections, which may lead the birds to death. 5. Environment. Even though sparrows are very adaptive to the environment, climate change plays a significant role in diminishing their populations worldwide. Due to global warming, sparrows consistently lose enough resources for their existence. 6. Pesticides. The excessive use of pesticides is now declining sparrow populations worldwide. According to a study, a single seed coated with neonicotinoids, the most used insecticides in today's world, can kill a songbird, particularly a sparrow. Humans cause sparrows to die through the nest-removing process. These little songbirds may build nests in any hole in your house. If you get rid of the nests or visit the nests frequently, parents will abandon the nests. Without the parents, young sparrows cannot survive.